Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any failures and issues with your Yelp app on the iOS. So, first thing we want to do is check for the update. Go to the App Store, search bar Yelp, take your Yelp app right here, and you want to see if you have the newest version. I have the newest version, but if you don't have, the update button is always right where is the open button. So if you updated the app and you still got some problems and issues, there's two more ways to fix it. First way is go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, search, and just search Yelp. Right here we got Yelp. And you want to set every single setting on default, like here, Siri, like this default, live activities, everything on like default, this is default, and search also everything on default, background app refresh on, language can be any of those languages, it really doesn't matter, and this down here is also doesn't matter. And after this, if you have still some issues and problems, the last way is go back here, take your Yelp app, uninstall, go back to the App Store, and just reinstall the app. After reinstalling, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.